absolute state on my front page on YouTube. What the fuck is this? It's just a lot of makeup shit. Because I was looking for some stuff. I was fucking full of it. Look at that. And some donuts, of course, because you're on a diet, Annie, so here's some donuts. Why not? Why not? Boom. Skype old sound. Wait, what is that? I fucking hated that sound. What the fuck? That shit also gave me anxiety. I don't know why. This shit really gave me anxiety. It gives you anxiety? Yeah, me too! Why did it sound like that? Like, why does it sound like that? It's so bad. Like, honestly...
Please hold your cock.
Hold your cock. Yep. Why are all the sounds giving me anxiety? Like, what the fuck are these? I'm so glad the Discord is better. No, fuck that. Sounds of an easier time? I wouldn't say that. I think my arc on Skype was not the easier... Not that, like, not easier times, but like, somehow I never miss it. I never missed that arc. I missed the ICQ arc, which was before Skype. But yeah, but I was like literally a baby back then. But Discord arc is the best. Oh yeah, there was a TeamSpeak arc. It was alright, but I think Discord is still the best. It's the best.